Hi everyone, this is Zahra from Moodle for Teachers 2018. In this tutorial, I would like to show how I can practice on Moodle as a teacher. For this reason, first of all, I should go to teacher practice area. I have already registered for it and received my admission. Then I choose one of the topics. I've chosen topic 28, it's still empty. Then I should turn the editing on. Okay. Now I can make some additions. Here, as you see, there is a link written add an activity or resources. In this tutorial, I would like to focus on, first of all, activities. In this part, we see a variety of activities and then resources. Now we focus on activities. As you see, we've got assignments, attendance. We've got chat. We've got the databases, forums. We can provide feedback and also questions, games. We can add some games, as well as some group self-selection, journals, quizzes, etc. Okay, on each of these items that we click, the description here appears. You can read about different details of it. As you see, there are some tutorials as well in order to let us know how we can use each of these activities. Now let's imagine I've got a class in which, for example, a reading class in which I want to teach how to think critically and read critically. First of all, I should come to labels. Of course, I'm not focusing on the resources here, but in order to show how I can name my class, I should go to label, click on it, and then click on the button add. Now this label is added to the course, and as you see here, I've got space to write. For example, here I want to write my name. Okay, in this case, I can show that this topic is occupied by me as Zahra. Okay, I can make some changes here, restrict access, activity completion, and show that students who have completed the activity, how they have completed the activity, and also I can add tags, etc. But I'm not gonna make any changes in them. I want to first of all name that topic. Okay, I saved and came back to this topic. Now it's named Zahra. Then let's see what other activities I can choose. Chat. I can create a chat or a forum in order to, let's add a forum in order to encourage students to answer the question and have a discussion on the topic. Forum name can be critical thinking, and of course it will be extended to, for example, critical reading. Then I may have different questions, but I can also add some media here. Let me first of all add a picture. I can choose a file. For example, I want to add this picture first. Let's upload it. Okay. then after that I can add a video in order to activate how they want to think about critical thinking. Let's watch the video. Okay, let's make some changes in it using this editor. Okay, now let's enter and upload the video. A short video about critical thinking. It may take long for uploading the video. We could also add a link, a URL to it. Okay, now that it's uploaded, we can add it to this page, this forum. And also we can ask students to talk about their understanding. Then save it. Okay, here we've got a forum. Now we want to add another activity. Let's add a chat or a checklist or a kind of, can also add some game, glossaries, and quizzes. Okay, let's just add a chat here in order to see how we can encourage students to talk about this concept. Okay, we can ask them, what is critical thinking? Of course, more thought-provoking questions would be more appropriate, but here is just for trying it. And also we can add some other links to movies, to videos, for example, from YouTube. Search video. Let's add a video from YouTube. Okay, we can choose from them. Wow, now this one is also added. And here we've got some options like chat sessions. We can arrange for some session when it starts, the day, and if we want to make decision whether we want to publish any chat time or create a chat, or allowing for deleting messages. And also common module settings. There are some other options here. Availability, ID number, group mode, grouping, and also some other options like restrict case access. Activity completion, we want to identify how activity completion is determined. Students can manually mark the activity as completed, or do not indicate activity completion, or show activity as complete when conditions are met. And then we should talk about conditions and create date, and also we can add some tags. I'm not gonna make big changes here because I haven't arranged the chat more appropriately. Okay. The chat is not seen here. We should try it again. There might be some problems. Okay, now let's see how we can add a game and how it may look like. let's add a crossword and see how it works. We should design the crossword. First of all, we should name it. Then there's a glossary here. We can go to questions, have it as a question, as a glossary, or as a game. And also we should create it. And we've got here grades, completion, and some other options. We should all design it based on the need and the words we aim at teaching to students. Okay, let's save and return to the course. It's added here. And also we can add as many activities as we want. For example, quizzes. Let's add a quiz as well, and also surveys, student folders, and also a link to Skype in order to create a live session. Well, adding a quiz, let's just call it quiz now. Then answer the questions, and let's see other options. We can adjust the timing, how long it may take for students to answer the questions, about grading, about the layout, question behavior, review options, and appearance of the quiz, and also some other restrictions and common module settings restrict access. For example, activity completion. It's sometimes important to identify the activity completion way. For example, do not indicate any completion. Student can manually mark the activity as completed, or show activity as complete when conditions are met. Then we should define conditions, and also some tags. Okay, let's see how it may look like. Of course, we haven't designed the questions. Let's just take a look. No questions have been added yet. We can edit it here and add some questions, or go back to the course. Let's go back to the course. Okay, here I've added some activities, but it requires more work to design, for example, a crossword or a quiz. But I think for now it's enough, and thank you so much for your attention. Have a nice time.